Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I'm gonna take very slowly today. I decided just to share with you a simple little salad, something where you guys can enjoy at home, especially this kind of weather and the season which we are in at the moment, barbecue time. Alright, I got some barbecue chicken coming up very soon, some jerk chicken, and a few more ideas and recipe will be coming. Don't forget my sponsors. I know you guys are the same way. I have the recipe which I want to release. We're working on the recipe same way, but we're going to release it in a couple of days time from now. So hopefully you will see the recipe and you guys will love it. This recipe is just for my sponsors. Alright. Thank you so much for watching my show. The YouTube channel is growing very slowly, very goodly, nice, gently, and you know what I mean, I want to take the time to say thank you all. But I'm gonna give you a simple recipe today. It's gonna be a salad recipe. It is summer gonna be started now. The weather is, the time is beautiful, hot, so I want you guys to enjoy this simple recipe. It's gonna be just some cucumber, tomato, red onion, mixed up with some bits and pieces. You will definitely enjoy this one. Alright, it's a healthy recipe, weight loss style I'm coming with, guys. You know what I mean, I want to keep my fans them happy, smile in this summer. That's tomato, large cucumber, spring onion, red onion, olive oil, cracked pepper, and some chili. It's gonna be a simple recipe, and I'm definitely want to share this with my fans them. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to get my cucumber. Just wash off your cucumber. That's the first thing you want to do, guys. Alright, once you wash it off, then what we're going to do, we're just going to cut them up into some dices. Lovely and nice. Put them into a big bowl. I love cucumber, and honestly, as I said, 95% of cucumber, I always say to my fans, and it is water. The other 5% is just the fiber. Lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful and nice. Then we're gonna get these 3 nice lovely beef tomato. Just gonna simple cut them up into some thick slices and pop them straight inside of that nice bowl today. This guy's gonna love this salad. Alright. So I just want you to enjoy this one, guys. Look at that. That is beautiful. And these are the beef tomato, you know. So if you're doing a barbecue now, this is a perfect recipe for you. And now we're gonna get that lovely spring onion. Alright. Spring onion inside. Remember about the garlic crusher? Bang, put the garlic in it. And once you put the garlic in it, just like this, we're just gonna get the garlic in that bowl like this. Lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do, lovely and nice. That's the red onion. Then we're gonna put a little bit of chili. I love chili, so I'm always using chili in my cooking. Even sometimes I use even the fresh chili. Yeah, this is the dry one, but that does bring in a lovely flavor to it. I'm gonna put some cracked pepper now. Lovely. And then we're gonna put some olive oil. Nice one. So definitely, I just need to just marinate up this now. So just take a little time and just marinate it with the garlic, everything, the chili. So this is just a simple salad, and we're gonna just pop it in straight inside of this nice, lovely big bowl right here. That's all we're going to do. So Look at this, guys. This is going to be amazing salad. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. Alright guys, not only that, I'm gonna be garnished or finished off now with the rest of the red onion on top of it like this. Lovely and nice. Alright, see that? That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about, and I know you guys will definitely love this one. Fresh tomato with some fresh cucumber, you know what I mean, put some garlic, olive oil, and some red onion, spring onion, some chili, and mix it up together. It is a summer lick, guys, summer style, and honestly, you guys will love it, and it's just gonna be a simple recipe. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments below. And we have a lot more recipe like this coming and a lot more ideas. So I know you guys will definitely 100% happy with this salad. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo healthy recipe and also weight loss salad and ideas for the summer. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.